Hi, welcome back to another video. We have got a Kredioo gel liner kit today to show you. Yeah, let's get stuck in, shall we? So they always come really nicely in these gorgeous boxes. I absolutely love their boxes with all the foil accents on them. Got their details on the back. On the side it does say keep away from children, away from fire, recyclable, and they have a shelf life of 24 months, which I think is damn good. That's a decent shelf life. Okie dokie, put that over there a moment. So you get a slightly different leaflet to what you normally get in their other kits. So we might as well have a nosy while we're here. There's lots of questions and answers on there. Lots of tips as well. The warning at the bottom, how to store them, and then on the back it's just got your nail prep instructions and yeah, how to use them basically. So that's a nice little leaflet. And then we have got 12 colours. So let me pull them all out. Right, okay, as I said, we've got 12 colours in this set. We're going to go through each of them and just do sort of like a line swatch on some prep swatch pops. So these are 5mm, and obviously they each come with their own. Sorry, I'm just scraping the excess off. Nice thin brush. Shall we have a look exactly how thin that brush is if I scrape everything off? Now that is a thin brush. That's really good. Right, shall we just do a sort of like a line? I'm not going to do anything extravagant. I am literally going to go like that. Only because I'm going to see if I can get a set done in the same video. I am going to put the tops back on though, because I know exactly what I'm like. I have a tendency to knock things over. Get that excess off. No, is that one going to be white or is that one going to be black? I think that one's going to be white. No, that one's going to be black. That brush is so thin, that's really good. Now, this one I'm presuming is going to be white, yeah, so I'm not going to do that one because obviously I'm on white tips. So we'll go to the next one, which is red. That's a beautiful red. Let's go up this end. So look, you can actually go thick with them. You don't have to stay doing thin lines. They will do a thicker line. We'll just put, I think, one more on there. Ooh, pink. That's pretty. It's a nice baby pink. And as you can see, they don't go anywhere. They go in the lamp for 60 seconds. Let's go on to this one, which I'm presuming is green. It is. Let's start further up this time. That's a very zesty sort of neon green. So bright, it's really nice. The good thing about it is you can see that you can do it thicker, and then you can sort of like teeter it off so it goes really thin. Okay, we've got a nice lilac coming up. That's a nice colour. And a yellow. Very bright yellow. So nice. Looks like we've got an orange. Ooh, that's a bright one, isn't it? I'll do these ones a little bit thicker down this end because obviously there's less of a line to see. And a nice neon pink. So you've got all your neon colours. Let's go really thicker with that one. They're really smooth. Let's pop it in the lamp. Okay, I am going to give these a top coat with Kredoo's Super Top Coat. If you haven't seen this before, it comes like so in a pack of base coat and top coat. Okay, and they are huge 15ml bottles, as I knock that one over. Okay, I'm going to flick over to voiceover. Right, I'm going to do a little set of just 3 nails this time. I'm going to use L12 and L10, which is the neon pink and the neon yellow. I've prepped 3 tips with a colour called Cottontail on, so it's sort of like an off-white from Madame Glam. So I've already put 2 coats of that on, and then all I'm going to do is use these 2 liner colours just to make a pattern on the nail. Really easy, that anybody can do. I'm just doing it randomly. I'll just let you watch this little bit.
I'm going to top coat these with the super top coat now, and then I will give them a quick buff off camera. I wanted them fairly smooth, so that's why I've top coated them now. And yeah, I'll give them a buff anyway. And I've pulled out these little textured dots from Charlie's Nail Art. I think they're great for putting on individually onto nails for making patterns. So I've got the light gold ones out, and I'm just going to use some base coat on each of these nails. I only show you this one because obviously this is very time consuming to do this, so, and you do have to sort of chase them a little bit. I think what I probably would do if I was to do them again is I probably would put some like foil glue on or something, some foil gel, and cure it so it's nice and tacky, then put them on, because then they're not going to move at all. So I did find myself chasing these little dots a little bit, which you will see at some point, I'm sure. But yeah, I'm just going to follow those curves and that on each of the nails, popping these on, and then with some base coat, and then popping them in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure, and then I top coat after that. Okay, we're into top coating, so there's not much left now. Safe to say I really like these liners, so if you're going to get any, these are a must. And I like the fact that the bottles are not overly big, because I have got some liners and the bottles are that big. I've had to shift my gel polishes around to fit them in. So these fit in anywhere, and you could pop them in your bag or anything. They're just brilliant. So thank you, Kredioo, for sending them for me to have a little play with. I will leave a link for them in the description box for you to pop over and have a look, and for the super top coat as well. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.